Hey, Flippendale 314 here, and I just thought I'd do a quick video on my handlebar setup on my bike. Put a lot of my own attachments on here. Here I got these little handlebar extensions, just kind of for more comfort. And the biggest change I've made is I've actually put the handlebars on. They originally were backwards and coming out like this, but they're on backwards and upside down now. And with these attachments on here, and it just makes for the perfect grip for comfort. So I got these attachments at Walmart for about $7, and then I got these little handlebar grips here for that same price. And then here I got some rear view, you can see, a little rear view mirror there, and another one on that side, and then little bike computer. See how far I've been. Had that going for about 2 months now. A little Bluetooth bike speaker. That's really nice to have, rather than headphones, so you can hear the noise around you. A cup holder, perfect size for Sonic Route 44. And then I've got a little LED mag light taped on there, which is extremely bright. It's really nice to have. And I believe that's it. Thanks for watching. Bye.